Suzuki Mehran 2025 White. First look inside the showroom. Ultimate walkaround. Eye-catching thumbnail idea. A gleaming white Mehran 2025 in a well-lit showroom, perhaps with a person slightly out of focus admiring it. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a special treat for all you car enthusiasts and potential buyers out there. We managed to get an exclusive first look at the brand new Suzuki Mehran 2025 in its stunning white avatar, right here inside the showroom. For years, the Mehran has been a staple on Pakistani roads, known for its affordability, reliability, and compact size. Now, the 2025 model promises to carry that legacy forward. In this video, we're giving you the ultimate showroom view, a complete walkaround of this iconic vehicle. We'll be taking a deep dive into every aspect of the new Mehran. From the exterior's sleek white color and any subtle design updates for 2025, to the interior's features and the overall feel inside the cabin. We'll explore the seating, the dashboard layout,